Precision language for CAPA, corrective action templates. Welcome. Today we'll turn postmortem insights into real change using CAPA, corrective and preventative actions. Corrective actions fix what went wrong. Preventative actions reduce the chance it happens again. The goal is to convert lessons learned into clear, testable tasks that actually improve reliability. We'll use precision language to avoid blame, keep emotion out, and eliminate vagueness. By the end, you'll write actions that are easy to execute, easy to verify, and hard to misinterpret, perfect for fast-moving engineering teams. Let's make your next postmortem the one that actually changes behavior. First, make every statement observable and measurable. If you can't see it or count it, it's not precise. Next, always name the actor, the action, and the deadline. Who is doing what, by when? This forces accountability and scheduling. Finally, separate facts, causes, and actions. Facts describe what happened. Causes explain why. Actions define what will change. Mixing them invites debate and delays. Precision language turns arguments into alignment by focusing on evidence, ownership, and timelines. Exactly what high-stakes incidents demand. Start by describing the defect, not emotions. API error rate spiked to 18% at 9/12. Not the system freaked out. Then link the action to a verified cause. If the root cause is an unbounded retry loop, target that loop, not generic training. Finally, state the expected outcome and metric. For example, reduce P95 latency from 2.4s2 is less than or equal to 1.2s in peak hour. This chain, defect, cause, metric, keeps your action laser focused and lets the team see when the fix worked. Precision means replacing fluff with behaviors. Instead of be more careful, specify the behavior. Add pre-merged checklist item. Verify feature flag default equals off. Ban ASAP and ensure unless paired with a measurable time or test. Deploy by 1700 coordinated universal time beats ASAP and ensure becomes unit test fails if flag default does not equal off. Prefer will over should/may. SRE will rotate keys monthly, sets commitment. Should invites drift. Clarity protects people and strengthens outcomes. Use this structure to make fixes stick. When, define the trigger or condition, e.g., on P1 incident start. Who plus will do what? Name the owner and concrete steps, like on-call SRE will disable Canary and roll back to version 2.3 via runbook steps 4 to 7. By when? Give a time window or deadline, such as within 10 minutes of P1 creation. Measured by, specify the check. Error rate returns to less than 1% for 15 minutes. If any field is fuzzy, the action isn't ready. Preventative actions reduce risk before it bites. Risk addressed, name the failure mode, e.g., misconfigured feature flags causing broad impact. Control change. Specify the policy, tool, or process. Add schema validation to flag configs and block merges on failure. Owner plus cadence, who maintains it and how often. Platform team owns validator, runs in CI for every PR. Verification, define the audit or test. Monthly audit shows 100% of flag PRs include passing validation. This makes prevention visible and maintainable. Week. Engineer will ensure no outages. Too broad, not testable. No owner behavior. Strong. SRE rotates runbooks quarterly. Audit pass is greater than or equal to 95%. Clear owner, cadence, and metric. Weak. Notify team ASAP. Unbounded and subjective. Strong. PagerDuty P1 auto posts to hashtag incidents within 60 seconds. On-call acknowledges in 5 minutes. Now the channel, timing, and roles are explicit. Strong actions describe systems and checks, not hopes or personalities. Before closing your postmortem, run this checklist. 1. One action per bullet. 1 owner. No shared ownership. 2. Contains trigger, action, deadline, metric. If any are missing, rewrite. 3. Review with 5 whys to confirm the action targets a real cause, not a symptom. 4. Update after validation. If the metric doesn't move, iterate. Turn these into a living CAPA tracker. Review status and ops meetings, and celebrate completed actions. Precision today becomes resilience tomorrow.